Are you finding it difficult checking for your names in the list of the Nigerian Defense Academy successful candidates? You are finding it difficult, you don't know how to go about it, about to check your name for the successful candidates in the Nigerian Defense Academy 2021 admission into the Nigerian Defense Academy 7th regular course. Don't worry, calm down. In this video, I'm going to show you the process, everything you need to do, and how to check your name in the Nigerian Defense Academy official website. So stick to this video to the end so that you see how to check for your name and know whether you are successful in the Nigerian Defense Academy 2021 admission for the 73rd regular course. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, you are losing a lot. You are losing a lot. The best thing you can do is to subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss any of the opportunities and wonderful opportunities I'll be bringing for you in this channel. Now, let's see how you can go about checking for your name in the Nigerian NDA website. You check, you download the list in your phone or your system and check for your name, because the list is shortlisted according to the states. Each state, about 60 candidates were shortlisted for various courses. They have courses for Faculty of Arts, Faculty of Sciences, and Faculty of Engineering, and the rest of them. So let's see how to go about checking for your name in the Nigerian Civil Defense Academy website. So to check if you are successful, to check for your name in the list of the Nigerian Defense Academy, to know whether you are successful for the admission into the Nigerian Defense Academy 73rd regular course, the first thing you should do is go to your search engine. When you go to Chrome or Opera Mini or Mozilla Firefox on your phone or in your laptop, there you go to the search engine. On the search engine, this is the search engine. When you go to the search engine on Google or Mozilla Firefox or Chrome or Opera Mini or UC browser, anyone you use, when you go there, you type the Nigerian Defense Academy website. That is the official website. When you type it, this is the official website. You type it www.nda.edu.ng. You type, you click enter, and it will bring you to the Nigerian Defense Academy official page. This is the official page or official website. Welcome to the Nigerian Defense Academy, the premier military university of West Africa. You see, this is the official page. This is the official page of the Nigerian Defense Academy. On the official page now, you see list of the 73rd regular course successful candidates for the 2021 Armed Forces Selection Board. Once you see this list, you click on it. You click on it, it will bring you to this page. You see the list of the regular successful candidates for the Armed Forces Selection Board, and you see it on this Nigerian Defense phase. You see, please download the instruction for all candidates. Then you see download the list of the 73 regular courses successful candidates for the Armed Force Selection Board 2021. Now let's look at the instruction. You download the instruction. Once you click download, you now open it with your phone. If you have Adobe Reader or any of the software, Microsoft, any of the software you use to open application in your phone, you open it. For my system, I use Adobe Reader. You click OK. So once it finish loading, it will show you this, the instruction for all candidates, the Nigerian Defense Academy Armed Forces Selection Board for the 73rd regular courses. You see the instruction, just like I mentioned in the previous video. The Nigerian Defense Academy screen test was held on Saturday, 31st July 2021. The list of successful candidates whose names appeared below and could also be accessed at NDA official website, that is www.nda.edu.ng, www.ndaapplications.net, are to report for interview before the Armed Forces Selection Board from Saturday 14th August to 25th September 2021 at the Nigerian Defence Academy, Rabidu Campus, Kaduna. Candidates will appear before the Armed Forces Selection Board in 3 badges as follows. I've listed this in my previous video. So let's look at the candidates for badge 1. Candidates from the following states fall under badge 1 and are to appear before or report to NDA Kaduna Campus on Saturday 14th to 28th August 2021. The candidates or the states in badge 1 to report on Saturday 14th August 2021 at the Nigerian Defence Academy are Bayelsa, Borno State, Cross River State, Ebonyi State, Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Jigawa State, Kebbi State, Kwara State, Lagos State, Niger State, Ogun State, Sokoto, and Taraba State. These people, if you are among these states, you have to report to the Nigerian Defence Academy on 14th August 2021 on Saturday in the Nigerian Defence Academy. Then students from the following badges, those from the following badges are to report on Saturday 28th August 2021. The second badges of the second states, we have Anambra State, Bauchi State, Delta State, Edo State, Ekiti State, Enugu State, Gombe State, Kaduna, Kano, Nasarawa, Ondo, Plateau State. That the badge B, that to go to the Nigerian Defence Academy on Saturday 24th August. You have to report there on 24th August 2021 for your final interview. Why? Badge C, students from the following states are to report on Saturday 11th September at the Nigerian Defence Academy, Kaduna State. If you are from the following states, you are badge 3. The states are Abia, Adamawa, Akwa Ibom, Benue State, Imo State, Katsina, Kogi, Osun, Oyo, Rivers State, Yobe State, and Zamfara State. Please take note of all these states so that you will not make any mistake. Another thing you have to bear in mind is that all candidates will undergo a screening exercise which will involve certificates and credentials, screening, medical and physical fitness tests, amongst others. Only candidates who pass the screening exercise will qualify to continue with the interview. Thus, any candidate that fails at any stage of screening, documentation, verifications, and medical screening will be asked to leave the NDA premises. I've said this before in my previous video, so if you are going, you should take note of all this. Once you go to the NDA official website, you download all these requirements, read it very careful, and take note of the necessary requirements and things you need to do in order not to be disqualified. Then back to the NDA official website, we have seen the instruction for all successful candidates. Once you click on it, you will be able to download it to your phone or your computer and read it carefully. Now you see download the list of the 73 regular courses successful candidates for the Armed Forces Selection Board. You click on it. Once you click on it, it will open in your phone. It is a Adobe Reader you are using or any software that you use to download file or PDF. You see open with, I'm using my computer system, so I'm using Adobe Reader to open it, and I click OK. Once I click OK, it will load to the full page. Now it has loaded to the full page. Here you will see the names of the shortlisted candidates in their various states. The first page is for Abia State and Kano State. about 60 students are shortlisted in each of the states for the various faculties. We have Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Faculty of Management Sciences, Faculty of Military Science and Interdisciplinary Studies, Faculty of Sciences. So in each state have shortlisted candidates. About 60 students are shortlisted in each state. So once you download it, calmly, you carefully check for your names to know whether you are successful or not. This is the second page is for Adamawa State and Katsina State. Adamawa State and Katsina State. The third page, Akwa Ibom State and Kebbi State. Akwa Ibom State and Kebbi State. Check for those things. Check for those things. Anambra State and Kogi State. You check for your names. Bauchi State and Kwara State. All the states, 60 students were shortlisted in all the states. 60 students were shortlisted. So if you applied for the Nigerian Defense Academy 2021 admission 73rd regular course, kindly check for your name. Once you go to the NDA official website, type www.nda.edu.ng and you see, follow the guideline in this video and you see how to download and check for your name. If you have found this video interesting and educative, kindly hit the subscribe button. See you next in our next video and thank you for stopping by. I wish you good luck in your admission process. Bye.